Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, December 12th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. Macro, micro, H pattern, wide state, H pattern, lightning. Macro, micro, H pattern, wide state, H pattern. H pattern, wide state, point of control, H pattern, triple bottom.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in half of our gains, and we're going to play this bar by bar.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in $1 guaranteed, and we're going to continue to manage this bar by bar. What I want to point out right here is where the breach happened. So if this price sells around the 527.75 here soon, we'll have an H pattern, moving average bounce. We have a slingshot starting to form on our 1 minute. We have an H pattern, Fibonacci retracement. We're waiting for a slingshot to start forming in our 2 minute chart. We have an H pattern, 555, and a lightning to the upside. So here in the next few minutes, if we weren't already in this trade, we'd be looking to go up and we'd be targeting the 528.75, 529 area. If we can't breach through those levels, we probably won't jump the 200 moving average on either our 1 minute or 2 minute charts. So it might come close, but if it fails roughly around the 528.75, 529 area, we might just punch out at that point. Right now would be the best time to hit the buy market button and reference 527.75 and see if this run would make you $1 if you weren't already in a trade. And we're going to pull our profits. Let me see if we jab that 528.83 again.
Order filled.
And there's roughly a $2.65 run today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.